Struggling with a dead USB port in your 2016 Chevy Silverado? Let's troubleshoot this connectivity issue in under 2 minutes. Statistically, 80% of infotainment port issues are resolved by simple resets or cable swaps rather than hardware failure. Before pulling the dash apart, let us walk through the diagnostic process to isolate the culprit. Start by ruling out the simple stuff like frayed cables, debris in the port, or a temporary software glitch in the MyLink system. If the basics fail, you are likely looking at a blown fuse, a loose harness connection, or internal corrosion on the USB module itself. Check your owner's manual to locate the specific fuse block, as a single blown circuit often kills power to the entire media hub. Most owners can handle fuse and module swaps, but complex wiring issues or internal display damage should be left to the professionals. Costs vary wildly depending on the failure, ranging from a few dollars for a fuse up to several hundred for professional wiring work. If you're comfortable with tools, use a multimeter to check for power at the pins, or pull the trim to ensure the harness is seated. Your essential kit should include plastic trim tools to avoid marring the dash, a multimeter, and a basic fuse puller. Remember, safety is the priority, so always disconnect the negative battery terminal before you start messing with electrical connectors. If these steps did not restore your connection, check your local dealer for potential infotainment software updates. Thanks for watching.